Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 9 top stories we are covering today. Welcome to the channel. Before we begin today's update, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to receive notifications for all our future tech updates. Rocket Bell. Switching to Ethernet everywhere made my home network feel finished in a way wireless still rarely does. The author has switched from wireless networking to Ethernet for most devices, citing improved reliability and consistency. Unlike Wi-Fi, which can be affected by neighbors' signals, interference, and layout of surrounding walls, Ethernet operates independently and is not restricted by half-duplex limitations. This shift eliminates variable signal strength and latency issues, making the home network feel more complete and reliable. I turned a $5 microcontroller into a travel router, and it actually works. A $5 ESP-32 microcontroller was successfully converted into a functional travel router using the right firmware, allowing users to access their home network remotely. The ESP-32's built-in Wi-Fi capabilities and dual-core processor enabled it to function as an access point, AP, station, STA, or combined APSTA mode, making it suitable for use as a portable router. LinkedIn wants to host thousands of events a year as part of its bet on creators. LinkedIn plans to launch events featuring creators in the second half of 2023, aiming to host up to 4,000 events annually. The company has already started testing paid events with creators, citing strong demand for tools that help them build sustainable businesses and connect with trusted experts. This push into events is part of LinkedIn's broader strategy to compete with YouTube and other platforms in the creator economy. For networking roadblocks I've faced over the years and how I fixed each of them. A homeowner experienced poor Wi-Fi connectivity in one area of their apartment, specifically the balcony. They were able to resolve the issue by replacing their outdated ISP-provided router with a newer Wi-Fi 6 model, which significantly improved coverage and eliminated dead zones. Read the memo, Cisco to cut about 4,000 jobs in AI-driven restructuring. Cisco is cutting approximately 4,000 jobs, or less than 5% of its workforce, as part of a restructuring effort to focus on artificial intelligence. The layoffs are expected to cost up to $1 billion, with $450 million recorded in the current quarter and the remaining costs carried into fiscal 2027. Amazon's race to future-proof AI data centers for power-hungry new tech. Amazon is rethinking the design of its data centers, dubbed Titus, to accommodate the growing demands of AI technology. The initiative aims to accelerate data center construction, incorporate advanced liquid cooling systems, and enhance power architectures while meeting emissions targets and noise requirements. This effort reflects the company's prioritization of AI infrastructure, with plans for a record $200 billion in capital expenditures this year. A kid with a fake mustache tricked an online age verification tool. Meta is introducing an AI-powered age verification tool on Instagram and Facebook to identify and delete accounts of users under 13 years old. The new approach analyzes images and videos for visual cues such as height and bone structure to detect minors' accounts. This move aims to reduce the ease with which children access restricted platforms, following cases where hundreds of kids evaded age restrictions through simple tricks like drawing on a mustache. Piratical Sabbatical. A pirate-themed video game, Windrose, has gained popularity through Steam's Early Access program. The game offers a unique blend of exploration, combat, and crew management, with a focus on player navigation and skill development. Despite some initial technical issues, the game has received positive feedback from early adopters, who appreciate its challenging combat mechanics and immersive gameplay experience. Microsoft levels up Azure Local to make it fit for large-scale sovereign clouds. Microsoft has upgraded its Azure Local on-prem cloud solution to support large-scale sovereign data centers, enabling users to manage thousands of servers. The enhanced Azure Local features SAN access for storage, independent scaling of compute and storage capacity, and improved fault domain modeling and networking for increased availability and resiliency. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and share your comments and feedbacks below. We love hearing from you. Thumbs up speech balloon. That's all for today's news. Stay informed, and I will see you in the next update.